And Inigo is actually down there. Yeah. All the other people there is still sleeping. And Inigo is again cooking breakfast. That is where Inigo slept last night. And yeah, what is your complaint about your first camping?
It's too small.
People will see us eating rice in the breakfast. And we are now here in Blackheath. We're going to walk in the Grand Canyon. If I'm not mistaken, it is going to be around 3 hours. Okay, ready to go. I have the battery, I have my phone. What else I miss? Well, I'm curious about this bun. Yeah, it looks nice in here. Looks like it is 4-wheel drive. I don't see the brand in here. It's Intercooler Turbo 2800. Yeah, the wheels, it's big and high. Oh, maybe this is the Delica. The Mitsubishi Delica? I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't see the brand. Because I saw from the conversation in the web that the only 4-wheel drive van is Mitsubishi Delica. It's going to be heavy, my backpack. Will not make me comfortable to vlog.
I put sunscreen, that's why I'm shiny, and insect repellent.
There's a toilet, and this is the beginning. This is the start of the truck. I was trying to leap. Yeah, there's a river down there. So if a person is disabled and want to see this national park here in Grand Canyon, this is the maximum place that they can go through. Yeah, because this one can be possible with the wheelchair coming from the car park. And this is the view that you're going to see. Very nice. Yeah, all the way to that side. And that's it. This Grand Canyon is located in the Blackheath area, not in Katoomba. And when I am hiking, I always have a coffee because it's relaxing. That is how Inigo pray. I don't know his religion, but that is how he pray. A little look funny, but I don't know. But we respect that.
I'm not praying, I'm just tired. Naging bato. Compact.
And this is the cave of Inigo. Drink. I just take off the other jacket. And you know, we are going down for about 20 minutes already. And it's still going on. Oh, Inigo said that this area
It's like Indiana Jones.
is like the scene in the movie Indiana Jones. So this is in between of two big mountain rocks. It sounds like it is raining in here, but yeah, it is actually because of the, you know, some droplets coming from the rocks, not coming from the trees but from the rocks. Yeah, Inigo is exploring that area. I'm not going there. And if you notice this tree, yeah, so it's going up, and then he noticed that he's going to touch the mountain, so he decided to turn this way and find the sun. That is the natural instinct of most people Or some people do not, but most of the plants, trees, they do that. They find a way to see the lights, sunlight. Looks like the water is drinkable.
Okay, tayo mo. Natuloy ako.
Hindi nga. Sayang. Oh, Inigo just slide. And now it's painting the body. Oh, look at this. This is new. Yeah, newly crushed. That's why it's like this. Inigo is wondering how he slides. The fact that he is very, very aware. And now he is thinking about the elements of the world, like ghosts, like Encanto. Yeah, he's thinking something like that now. And he is discovering more scratches like this.
Dito sa likod. Ano ba?
And here also. During the time of dinosaur, most of the plants are like this, fern. Inigo said. Oh, there is one lobster. Very nice.
Ay, meron pa doon.
Still alive. Yeah, this lobster is still alive. It's crawling down there. I wonder why that lobster is color red. Yeah, still alive because it's still crawling against the water. There are many of them actually. Oh, I just saw a lobster yesterday in the kitchen. Already cut in half yesterday. They are preparing in the kitchen.
Ano yung kaya dyan?
Wala, dahil nakakatakot. Inigo said this one looks like a Jurassic Park.
Maybe it's a big deal.
Well,
10 years lang.
you know, it's been a very high, yeah, big long staircase going up. Very tiring. And yeah, Inigo is here already eating and worrying about the slide. And there's one iguana.
Worrying about my injury.
Yeah, that is iguana. Yeah, he's worrying about his injury. Kulay pula na. Now it's color red. Also the legs. Dami pala, no? Also the legs, look at that. Ipakita ko yan sa vlog.
Oo. Bakit naman?
Tabi po. So here in Blue Mountain National Park, help protect our wildlife. A dog is viewed as a predator by native animals. Even the scent of a dog on a leash or in a car frightens wildlife and can cause them to avoid the area. This reduces habitat available and can prevent them from breeding. Oh, Inigo finally got the stick. He cannot walk properly. Yeah, we are finally back in the van. Huh?
Bakit naman ako may cane?
This is going to be our lunch. Yeah, cup noodles. Yeah, and it feels very full.
Full?
Yeah, it's really full. Yeah, you know, in the Philippines before, the noodles is just here. There is actually eggs inside. Puno na. And those two there, they are also they are cooking. Nice. And look at this ano ito? Mitsubishi Ram. Yeah, look at this. There is a canoe at the top of it. Chevrolet. Dodge Chevrolet. Dodge Ram. And this is the proper way to open an egg. And we are now here in Bode National Park. Yeah, this is about 3 hours drive coming from Blue Mountain. Yeah, we actually passed by to the house of Kuya Ruel to drop the backpack. Yeah, from Inigo.
Bigyan na. Sakit ba ulo mo, Ariana? Sleeping Beauty.
Papasok ang Reyna. There are 4 black cockatoo on top of that tree. And we are now here in the beach. Yeah, this is another hiking. This is here in the Bode National Park.
Tangik, magdadrive siya.
Ganun na kaya?
Siya, hindi ko alam ang mga... Ay, namatay na. Ganito itong kataas yung nalaglag sa akin eh.